Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix your problem of Chase account's login. Keep watching the video till the end. To fix your login problem of Chase account, firstly go ahead and launch open your settings application. The home page of settings application will appear on the screen. Click on apps and notifications. On the next page, search for Chase application and tap on it. Click on storage and cache option. Clear your storage data and cache memory by tapping on clear cache and clear storage option. The next thing that you can do is allow all the permission to Chase application. Now, the next thing that can be done to fix your login issue is tap on first stop option. Confirm first stop of an application by tapping on OK. This is how you can fix your account login problem of Chase account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.